Nanjing has achieved till today a very successful company due to its business strategies, management skills, and commitments to all of our customers. The company has been established since 1996, is located in Dongguan, Guangdong Province, China. Nanjing has two sizable factories, one in Hojie Town, another in Shatian Town, together covering an area of 150,000 square meters. The two modern buildings, surrounded by beautiful gardens, make Nanjing factories much more outstanding than the other factories nearby. Nanjing's main focus is only manufacturing the machines and equipment for panel furniture for furniture companies. We can find best solutions for the customers who require the setup of automation production lines in the furniture factories. Nanjing offers full range of products including bench and table CNC machining centers, 5-side CNC boring machines, computer panel saws, precision sliding table saws, single-sided and double-sided edge bending machines, multi-roles and axis boring machines, automation production lines, automation packing lines, and many other types of machines. Nanjing's machines are well known and widely used for making furniture of different types, such as customized made special furniture, kitchen cabinets, exhibition display units, renovation work, wall lining, wooded panels and doors for the luxury cars and boats. With excellent reputation, Nanjing machines are selling to more than 30 provinces, municipalities, and autonomous regions in China, and also overseas more than 30 countries, including Russia, Iran, Germany, Turkey, South Africa, Canada, Australia, Malaysia, Vietnam, and many more. Nanjing has a large service network, one-step easy order for service and parts in headquarters for the convenience of our sales partners and customers worldwide. They're always, without exception, the highest priority Nanjing to serve. Nanjing can provide our customers many effective solutions for projects in combining machines and handling equipment for their furniture production lines. No matter making large production batches or even non-standard panel designs are much desirable. The beauty of these solutions with Nanjing software can also manage the incoming orders, breaking them into sub-orders for making furniture with our machines, resulting lesser investments for the projects but also lower labor and production costs. Besides, this can prevent mistakes during the furniture production process. That means savings. Very important, this software and machines package can help the manufacturers to plan ahead under your control the delivery time to their customers. Nanjing has the best world-class facilities. Making high-quality machines is our sustainable success. The company has purchased hundreds of highest quality CNC processing machines, including laser cutting machines from Switzerland, 5-axis machining centers, vertical and horizontal machining centers from Japan. Nanjing also purchased many very high-precision testing instruments, such as coordinate measuring machine and laser interferometer from Germany for final testing of machine parts before fixing into machines. Using our experience in self-developed software for production, monitoring, and controlling the whole process from incoming orders, making designs, manufacturing machine parts, arranging deliveries, providing services and parts. This is Nanjing's core competence. Robots for welding are set up in modular or in-line to ensure mechanical work done in high precision and very smooth surface. parts are made by the fully automation production line, consisting with 5-axis CNC machining centers that can make complicated parts easy and handy, only requiring loading in the metal pieces and unloading out the finished parts. The parts are fabricated so accurately and efficiently in one go. Quality management is most important. Our company has a team of professional inspectors to carry out quality control for machines and parts from inbound to outbound logistics. Our company has passed since many years the ISO 9001-2008 Quality Management Certification, has gained CE certification, has received the permit for exporting quality products. Assembly is critical for machine making. We follow ISO and best practice to run through the whole process for completing the final machines to highest international standards. Nanjing got many awards, including the Guangdong Top 10 Enterprise for product quality, the National High-Tech Enterprise, the Guangdong Top 100 Strongest Equipment Manufacturing Enterprise, Guangdong Famous Trademark, Guangdong Best Product Brand. Our professional technical team, consisting of professional, electrical, and software engineers. They carry out research and development duties to explore any new technology for continuous improvements from making the current and the new machine models. Our team members have often participated in many seminars overseas to exchange in different aspects, like how new technologies can be put into our machines and what are the features our users like to use. Common beliefs, effort, and goals for best performance, innovation, and leadership. Nanjing's culture is built up by people. The company organizes many activities, such training, social events, and community charities, for upgrading employees' confidence, knowledge, and skills, to discover the abilities of people and to identify each of their strengths in order to allocate right job duties for them. This makes Nanjing very unique today. Employees here are positive thinking, satisfied, and self-motivated to take care of our customers. Working here, employees feel warm. Working here, employees have passion. Working here, employees like to grow with Nanjing. Nowadays, Nanjing is leading the other followers in the panel furniture industry in China. Our managers have great talent. We can achieve our mission by formulating our strategies to overcome different challenges for a simple reason: to positioning Nanjing from made in China to created in China for achieving international honors.